You know, I think you understand, mommy, right? You're not supposed to be yelled. You know that, right? Don't be so cute. No, dale un beso. Just, I know, but don't. I think you really understand, guys. Okay, just one more time. Just one more time. That's not funny at all. That's not really a good. I can't stop laughing. Dale un beso. That's enough. No, you're getting too much, Robbie. You look, listen, this is really an actual, right? Oh my god, I think guys he really understand. I don't know what it is with Cookie, but thank you guys so much for watching Cookie and Mary Lou. Dale un beso. Bye bye.